As you saw in the title, we're going to try and address the brake dust situation on the BMW M2. Probably wondering, where is the M2? Well, Lucas is doing his magic on the car, doing a paint correction and doing some ceramic coating on it as well. All throughout transport, it's getting scuffed up, it's got tarps on it, and the front hood was just covered in swirls. We're gonna go check out the car in a moment, and then we're gonna head over to Sean at Elite BMW, where he's gonna put some new pads on the car as well. So we decided to go with EBC Reds, mainly because Sean ordered them a long time ago. It took him a while to arrive, and by that point he put Carbotex on the car, and he had EBC Reds available for sale, so I just picked it up. Now you're all probably wondering what this brother is doing with EBC Reds. It's not the greatest for stopping power, I get it. This is not meant to be a track machine. The BMW M2 that I have is meant for me to roll through the gears, go to coffee, enjoy it on these back roads, not necessarily trying to kick out lap times. For me, it's more of an aesthetics car where I want to keep the car clean, drive it, enjoy it, and not worry about having it caked up in brake dust. So before you guys go crazy on the comments, know that is the purpose. Now, if you put EBC Reds on your car, you don't want to be tracking it. Yeah, you can drive it spiritedly and it'll stop, but it's not going to stop like a dedicated track pad would. As I've always mentioned, if I want to track a car, I've got this beast here. For as long as this is in the garage, that is going on track, as opposed to any of my other cars. So we're gonna head off to Lucas, and then we're gonna head off to see Sean, where we're gonna install these EBC Reds and hopefully fix the whole hot brake mess. Ready to go? Yeah, we're heading off to Lucas's right now. We should be there in a few minutes. My brother is driving the RS5 for the first time.
Got a big smile on my face, just so you know. Whoa, look at that! That looks really good, man.
Yeah, look at the sharp.
Lucas,
How are you?
wow, that looks, man, the wheels look so, like, what'd you do? Cleaned it, I guess?
Well, a final coat of ceramic on them, like the car one. But it's like the gloss level is like, honestly, it's so much more glossy than it was before. It's insane. Like, even when you see reflections from the hood from like the house, it's like it's very, very deep. You know what I mean?
Wow.
And mind you, it's a light color, and you can see how glossy it is. You know, typically, like if this is black, it would be insane, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Dub house, garage bay.
Feel this pad.
Oh.
It's like a.
Wait, is that what was used on my car?
Yeah.
And then this is the compound?
Yeah, on the rough stuff.
Damn, that's cool.
Yeah. So, but this after you follow through with like 2 or 3 other pads to make it smooth, but it's quite aggressive, but it takes out a lot of stuff, right?
The car looks amazing. So we coat the car?
Yeah, after a wash, you can add this just as a kind of a detail item to, I guess, keep the ceramic strong and just get the most out of it, right?
Nice.
Yeah.
So that's just sort of like a ceramic boost.
Yeah, it's like a little mist, and then you just kind of like wipe it on, and that's it.
Even the towel, I can feel it from here.
Oh, really?
It just looks like it's floating. Ah, that looks so good. Let's do a quick walk around. The wheels pop so much more now.
No.
That's amazing.
But it just depends.
The gloss level is on a whole new level now. Look at this. It is glossy.
we're heading over to Sean now, where he's going to go install the EBC Red pads. I'm trying not to brake as hard to reduce the amount of brake dust on these like freshly coated and detailed wheels, but it's hard. All right, we are here at Elite BMW. We're gonna go check out Sean. Let's see what he's up to. He's working on a couple of cars. Let's go see if he can get the car in, put those pads on. Hey! So these are the Carbotex that are on that guy. We're putting these EBC brakes. Pretty easy job.
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
Wow, that's a massive pad, eh?
Says that it's only the two Mercedes that have got
The difference. The Reds, the stock ones. You know how Lucas was saying the red is a clash with the blue? I think it's the opposite. It matches the lines of the M logo.
It's true, there's a bit of red in there already, so.
Sean's just doing it by feel now. So this is the amount of dust or brake dust that's been collected. Just maybe 10 kilometers of driving. So we're gonna try and clean it up. EBC Reds are on the car now. See, it matches the red stripe on the M logo. That's pretty cool. Okay, fronts are done. Let's go see the rears. With the stock pads, see the amount of dust that's caking up in there already? It's pretty dusty. We'll see how much less dust this produces over the Carbotex. Carbotex are what's on Sean's M4, and he's had good results with the Carbotex. I mean, there's some, but significantly less. So that's quite nice. Black wheels are still black, and this is like the dust and debris as opposed to brake dust. Yeah. Let's see what the EBC Reds are like. The Reds work. Oh, that sounds good with that on. That sounds pretty good.
That's pretty decent.
All right, Sean's done his work, and we are ready to get out of here and test the brakes for the first time. Brakes feel good, but now I can actually hit the brakes without feeling like brake dust is going to cake up the wheels and stuff. So Sean was saying for the first day or so as we're driving this car, there'll be a little bit of brake dust on the wheels. That's basically residue left behind from the previous pads. So after about 2 days, we'll have a test to see how much brake dust these pads really generate. But at the moment, it hasn't seemed to impact any of that sort of brake feel at the moment. Oh, it turns it really nice. Oh yeah. Every shift, there's a little bit of love it. See that? for spirited driving, these pads will do the trick. There you go. Stops like stock. So I'm going to drive on this for a couple of days and then I'll report back. But for the moment, I'm enjoying this sort of guilt-free driving where brake dust isn't going to cake up my brand new wheels, and you know, my priority is keeping the car nice and clean and just enjoy looking at it, driving it, taking pictures, doing videos, and that's the kind of thing I like to do with this car. So hopefully the pads will keep it dust safe or dust free. What do you all think? What sort of pads are you guys using? Let me know in the comments below. Have you had experience with the EBC Reds? I'll eventually be trying out other options as well. I'm going to sign off this video in the car driving. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join me on my journey with this BMW M2. We're prepping up for Impact, which is happening August 18th, and we have a lot to do. Auto ID has a whole bunch of parts that they're going to be sending my way as well, and we're going to get the car dialed in, ready for Impact, to be stationed at the Edelweiss booth. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.